Hey guys, rare day in Florida when you see me wearing a sweatshirt. It's like 52 degrees right now, which for some of you is probably not that cold, but out in Florida it's friggin' freezing. All right, so I'm out looking at some rehabs, and I'm in a property right now that's about probably 2 weeks out from being completed. And I'll walk you through just so you can get a look. The floor is basically, this is the life-proof floor that you get at Home Depot. It's about, I want to say about $250 a foot. It is waterproof, so that does have a little bit of an advantage if it does get some kind of water damage. You can see there's a lot of, when workers work on a house, a lot of odds and ends, like for example, there's a cracked window that's got to be replaced, and there's another one right over here that needs to be done. As we get into the kitchen, so this is the, you've seen in some of our rehabs, we do the brown look. So this is what I call the gray look, but really it's basically, you're going for like stainless steel, white, and gray, right? So we're using quartz countertops. So these countertops right here are quartz, and we're doing white cabinets, standard white cabinets, and we do brushed nickel for our faucets, and gray black splash. It comes out pretty nice. It doesn't really pop right now that much, and the reason I say that is because the appliances are not in. But once you put the appliances in, once the fridge goes there, and we put the microwave and the stove and the dishwasher in, and then we bring a cleaning crew through here to look at it, you'll see it really makes quite a difference, right? So walking through the house, so that's a little, this is not a big house. This is about 1,000 square feet. It used to be a rental actually, and we decided to rehab it and put it on the market. Go through a little bit more. All right, so this is one of the bathrooms. Show you guys what that looks like. Right. Okay. And then the bedrooms. So we're using the same flooring throughout, right? So basically pretty standard, like let's say these blinds, standard Home Depot, right? The flooring, we're using this flooring throughout the entire house. Same baseboards, right? So this is 4-inch baseboards. Ceiling fans are the same as on the other houses. We're actually working now on these to match this gray floor better. We're working on a all silver. It's actually an all brushed nickel kind of look, which will look a little bit better. Here's the shower. And we've got a little bit of an issue there with the water still dripping, so I've got to get somebody to look at that and show you what the bathroom looks like. Okay, now this is not a high-end neighborhood, right? This is a neighborhood where the house is going to go on the market for $129,000, and we're into this house for around $65,000. So basically, this house rents for about $1,100 a month, and if we put it on the market and sell it, we should be able to get, with comparable sales, probably around $129,000, right? So it could work real good as a rental. In fact, we have a potential buyer lined up right now who's one of my students, and their goal is to rent this out and get like $1,100 a month, and then purchase it with the tenant in place, right? So you're looking at about 100 times rent, and that rent multiple, I'm figuring probably $1,100 or $1,200 a month. And that's what a typical rehab looks like, right? So this is a lower end neighborhood, so we don't want to do anything high end. Everything's pretty standard, and this is how I do most of my rehabs. So just thought I'd show you guys what that looks like on this cold day in South Florida. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.